Hello everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing the Galaxy chocolate bar. So I'm not sure the brand, it doesn't really say anything on it, but I got this at Walmart in their imported foods aisle. They have like a little importation sticker there, and then on the back they have the Canadian nutrition label. So in one of these 42 gram bars we have 230 calories, 14 grams of fat, 24 grams of carbohydrates with 0 fiber, 23 sugar, and 3 grams of protein. I'm interested because I've never seen one of these bars before. They look pretty good, and I'm always down to try new things. So I will get right into this. It's Rainforest Alliance certified cocoa, so it's sustainable. That's always good. And the bar is a little bumpy, like so. That's cool. And I'm not sure if there's something in it or not, but I will find out. That's what it looks like on there. Kind of looks like a caramel bar. I'm not sure if there's anything inside it, but I'm gonna bite in half this time. Tastes good though. It's not overly sugary tasting. It is higher in sugar, but it doesn't have that super sweet milk chocolate taste that some have. But it's good. Looks like it's just chocolate. That's cool. It's good chocolate though. Out of this galaxy, some might say. Smooth milk chocolate. Galaxy standard 42 gram. It's pretty good. I'm surprised there's no there's nothing in this. I don't think. Near the top, it kind of looks like there's something in there. It is a little bit lighter, but it's really good. So there's 6 pieces per bar. It's really good. So, Galaxy chocolate bar, imported, not sure what brand, but it's a good tasting chocolate. I thought it tasted like caramel at first, but it just tastes like a normal chocolate bar, just with a different chocolate taste to it. North American chocolate bars are overly sweet, and you taste it. This is like a nice chocolate taste. It is a little bit sweet, like chocolate can be, but it's not overpowering like some others can be too. So it's kind of neutral right in the middle. I'd give the Galaxy bar like a 7 to a 7.5 out of 10. It's a good chocolate bar. Nothing too intense though. It's basic chocolate. I'm glad I got it though. I like it. It's different. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.